asked by clients why people don't respond to their email messages. There are many things we do in haste that mean we aren't as effective as we could be with email communications. Here's my top 3 tips to get a response to your email. Number 1, minimize the use of email. Tones and body language you normally experience in face-to-face conversations are lost in email. This can result in miscommunication, frustration, and delays in responses. One of the best tips I learned was when I spent 18 months delivering an email management program to Microsoft staff in the Asia Pacific region, was to use email as a tool to summarize conversations. Email can be one-dimensional and open to interpretation. Use it to summarize rather than hold the conversation, and you'll get to the result quicker. Number 2 is don't waffle. So many emails are the equivalent of verbal diarrhea. They're often vague, don't get to the point, and don't have a call to action. Every day we're inundated with messages, emails, texts, calls, documentation, etc. Increase the possibility of a response by being short and clear. Use bullets, define expectations and deadlines. And the third tip is set a reminder for the receiver. Many of the current email programs allow you to set a reminder to prompt the receiver of your message for a response. Just make sure you don't set the reminder for 4 p.m. Set it for somewhere between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to allow time for the person to do the actions required to get you what you need by the close of the day. Email is a communication tool, not the only communication tool. Like everything in life, it's about leveraging it to work for you rather than you be controlled by it. What are you doing to ensure your communication is effective?